Hi, I'm Andrew Spainhauer with McMullin Injury Law and wanted to give you our biggest and smallest case results for the month of June. These are results that we got for people right here in southern Utah after their car accidents with insurance settlements. The biggest case result we were able to get in the month of June was an adult and her mother, and they're driving, and actually there was snow on the highway that day, and they're cruising back from visiting other family members on Christmas, and another car on the highway fails to yield on a lane change and hits another car, and it pushes that car into our client's car. Our client was then spun, crashed into the wall at high speed, suffered some pretty bad injuries. And this is an interesting case because the first car that's actually at fault for that, they fled the scene. They weren't involved in that second crash and they're gone. And so we had to do it as an uninsured motorist claim on the insurance of our own client. Your insurance will step in that situation and take care of you as if they were the at-fault party to make things right for your injuries. We were able to get a $250,000 policy limit settlement on a case like that. One other interesting issue on that case is that the medical bills from the hospital stay were greater even than the $250,000. And so a lot of times people have questions about what happens there. What we do is we get all the medical bills covered by health insurance first, and then when we get the settlement, health insurance has a right to get their money back that they paid, called subrogation rights. So your attorney will then negotiate with the health insurance carrier to get huge discounts on how much of that settlement is paid back so that our client was able to keep as much of that $250,000 as possible. The smallest case in the month of June that we were able to get resolved was for a local father and son cruising through the Bloomington roundabout. We've all been in that roundabout. Sometimes people do crazy things in roundabouts, and another car just failed to yield, negligent lane change, merged right into them, knocked them into the middle of the roundabout. Fortunately, they were okay, only minor injuries, but we were able to get those cases resolved for $17,000 and $19,000. They had ambulance and ER bills and some chiropractic physical therapy bills, and they're doing a lot better.